Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Terabox. Terabox is a cloud storage app that helps you to store photo, video, and file online. Changing the language makes sure the app easier to understand and use. First, unlock your phone and open the Terabox app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon and select settings. In my region, it's not available. For that, go to the app setting or setting of your phone. In the search bar, type language. From here, you can change the language and it will automatically change the Terabox language. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.